After a raging red IPO, the market quickly forgot about ARAI AI as it fell and fell. Well, until now. Let's mark the main resistance range, from the last big red candle and spike in selling volume. Then talk about this chart a bit before we go over what's driving this bullish resurgence. On the bright side, even if price can't advance up to arrive in the $2 range, we now have excellent bullish candles to reference when constructing the likely range price can trade back into if this week's hype fades. Okay, to the bigger picture now. Why has ARAI AI seemingly come back from the dead and excited investors again? Simple answer is it was way overhyped during its IPO last year, giving an overly optimistic aura, when in reality it was just starting to get off the ground. In contrast, this year is actually seeing some concrete steps being taken to bring its vision of a modernized mailbox delivery ecosystem that can handle flying drones, ground robots, and good old human couriers. Essentially, this autonomous delivery infrastructure company gained ground as a key enabler of large-scale autonomous logistics. For example, with the issuance of its 10th U.S. patent. This latest patent introduces shared use functionality for its arrive points, allowing multiple users to securely send and receive packages through a single intelligent endpoint. The system maintains chain of custody, security, and communication features while improving efficiency through built-in storage and sorting. It also enhances coordination between delivery endpoints and drones, robots, and human couriers, addressing a major industry gap. The secure completion of deliveries. As investment in autonomous delivery accelerates, ARAI AI is positioning itself as the infrastructure layer that makes these systems viable. Its arrive points act as secure, standardized exchange nodes that enable reliable, unattended handoffs, which are critical for scaling operations, especially in regulated sectors like healthcare. Without such infrastructure, challenges like failed deliveries, lack of accountability, and limits on transporting sensitive goods persist. ARAI's patent portfolio now spans secure delivery systems, robotic and drone integration, climate-controlled storage, anti-theft design, and scalable manufacturing, with filings in over 20 countries. Forming the intellectual property strategy to achieve its long-term goal of becoming the backbone of autonomous logistics. ARAI is actively demonstrating real-world applications across industries and geographies. Healthcare deployments like the one at Hancock Regional Hospital show how ARAI points enable fully asynchronous delivery of lab samples and medical supplies, reducing manual transport and improving efficiency while maintaining strict chain of custody standards. Insights from these deployments highlight the importance of reliability, clear communication at handoff points, and seamless integration into existing workflows. ARAI is also promoting at major industry events, including HIMSS 2026, emphasizing that robots alone are insufficient without secure transfer infrastructure. Its platform enables faster, safer, and unattended operations within hospitals, freeing staff to focus on patient care. Globally, ARAI is expanding into markets like India through partnerships with robotics and drone companies, demonstrating integrated, multimodal delivery networks that support urban logistics, smart cities, and e-commerce. These systems combine ground robots, drones, and intelligent endpoints to improve delivery speed, reduce congestion, and enable real-time tracking and secure handling of goods. In smart city environments, such as demonstrations at Curiosity Lab, ARAI has shown how different autonomous delivery methods can converge at a single, secure endpoint, supported by technologies like 5G for real-time communication and monitoring. Then, when it comes to ARAI's location, it benefits from being in Indiana, which is now designated as a federal drone testing hub, providing access to regulatory development and real-world validation environments, supporting faster deployment and alignment with evolving aviation standards.